intellectual proofs can shine and bright on the global stage. I'm of course talking about the legend Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, or C.V. Raman as he affectionately known. He born on 7 November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Raman's curiosity and passion for learning were evident from an early age. He was a child prodigy, publishing his first research paper at the age of 18. Raman's academic excellence.
आज 28 फेब्रुवारी राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिनानिमित्त मी आज तुम्हाला माझे विचार मांडणार आहे. ते तुम्ही शांततेने ऐकून घ्यावे अशी माझी विनंती. राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिन हा दिवस आपल्या देशात डॉक्टर सी.व्ही. रमन यांच्या अद्वितीय
communicate with each other instantly and solve big problems. It inspired us to create, explore and innovate. So let us thank you so much.
Now I would like to congratulate Shri of